In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix packet loss here in Fortnite Chapter 7. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But what you're going to want to do first is choose the correct matchmaking region. To do this, go ahead and open up your settings. And if you go to the fourth tab, which is the game tab, you'll see a matchmaking region on here. If you're on a distant server like Oceania, your ping is going to skyrocket. Switch to whatever region has the lowest ping. For me, that's in a central, which right now has quite a bit of ping still, but yours may be different. You can leave it on auto, but I would recommend just force putting it on the fastest server for more stability. The next thing that I would do is stop any background downloads. If you have anything downloading in the background, whether it's a game updating, apps that are downloading files, or people on your network that are streaming heavily, just make sure that you stop that, just because if anything is using up your bandwidth while you're playing, it's going to increase your ping. On top of that, what you could do is use a wired connection. Something like a direct Ethernet cable from your router to your PC or console is best. If your router is too far away though, for example, it might be in another room, you can use a power line adapter. And what it does is it essentially comes as two plugs. One is going to go near your router and the other one is going to go in your gaming room. And you essentially just plug the Ethernet into that adapter and then plug a new Ethernet from the adapter in your gaming room to that PC or console. And it's going to send the internet through your home's electrical wiring. And yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.